The Ninja Thirsti Drink System is a countertop appliance that carbonates water and adds flavor to create sparkling drinks. With a simple push of a button, you can adjust the carbonation levels, the size of your drink, and the amount of either sweetened or unsweetened energy, vitamins, hydrate, or just a splash of flavor. Pros. Push button control. 3 levels of fizz. Automatically dispenses 1 or 2 flavors. Control over flavor. Dispenses still water as well. Cons. Flavor pods aren't refillable. Third-party flavors don't exist yet. This machine is very similar to a well-known brand out in the market currently, and having tested out both units, I would have to say that Ninja Thirsti System does it better. With the Ninja I noticed that the carbonation was stronger, and lasted much longer, and also that flavors are added automatically according to the size of your drink. The system holds 2 swappable flavor packs, and the amount of flavor added to the water can be adjusted to your liking. The flavors are also made of 0 sugar and 0 calories and taste amazing. The system comes with a Ninja Thirsti machine, 2 48 ounces, water reservoirs, CO2 canister and a flavor starter pack. I purchased the travel bottle separately, to take my Energy Plus Hydrate flavored water with me to go. The travel bottle works great for keeping my drinks colder and carbonation longer. Overall, I think the Ninja Thirsti Drink System is a great option for people who want to make their own sparkling drinks at home to replace soda, sugary juices, or simply want to make their water taste better. The system is easy to use, easy to clean and produces great tasting drinks, and has a variety of customization options. If you are looking for a way to save money on soda and bottled water, the Ninja Thirsti is a great choice. The Ninja Thirsti is totally customizable. Unlike many other beverage machines options out there, the Ninja Thirsti allows users to dictate their drink size, flavor strength, and flavor combinations, and fizz level. Users can choose to make each drink totally unique, or discover their go-to and stick to it daily. Personally, each time we used the Thirsti, creating a drink concoction was like a creative quest to find my new favorite combo. There are 20+ flavor drop options. There are over 20 unsweetened and sweetened flavor drop options to experiment within the Thirsti, allowing for thousands of flavor combinations. Flavor varieties under the energy umbrella contain 50 grams of caffeine for extra energy. The vitamins line contains added B vitamins, hydrate includes added electrolytes, and splash is an unsweetened line that gives your drink a hint of flavor without overpowering. The best part? All flavors have 0 calories and 0 added sugar. It's inherently eco-friendly. If you have a habit of regularly buying cans of seltzer or bottles of flavored water, this machine could greatly reduce your carbon footprint. 1 bottle of flavor drops can make up to 20 12-ounce drinks. Since many commercial drink options come in single-use bottles or cans, which often end up in landfills, leaning on this machine helps lessen the negative environmental impact that other drinks can have. Plus, the CO2 canisters used to create the fizz can be refilled, which saves users 30% each time they need a replacement. By reusing canisters over time, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes from reducing waste. Should you buy the Ninja Thirsti? If you enjoy flavored beverages, sparkling beverages, or a combo of both, the Ninja Thirsti is a sustainable, cost-effective way to quench your thirst. You can customize your drinks to create one that meets your needs with the push of a button. And for those who are trying to live sustainably, the Ninja Thirsti can help reduce the use of single-use waste.